I've managed to get my hands on some fresh cow's guts and brought them to a tripe dresser before I can cook with them.
Peter, how are you?
Hi, good, nice to meet you.
Likewise, good to see you too, my man.
Hey.
Now it's down to you to turn into something, magical.
Piece of cake.
In 1900, there were 200 tripe dressers in Britain.
And your great-great-grandfather?
No.
Now, there are only 3.
And the smell. I mean, this place just stinks of tripe. What does the wife say when you get home?
She doesn't.
She doesn't?
She left.
She left. Oh, right. Shit.
Peter and I boil my tripe to make it more tender,
Look like you've been doing it for years.
and then bleach it to improve the colour.
It's hard to believe that's the same tripe, in terms of, how palatable it looks now.
Peter supplies Bob and Christine, who run a traditional tripe stall at the market in Accrington Stanley.
How are you, buddy?
How are you? All
Good
right?
to see you, well. Christine. Now, you've been selling for how long?
Their customers love tripe so much here, they even eat it raw.
Now, how are you going to cook that? What are you going to do with the tripe?
My husband eats it as it is,
As it is?
with salt and vinegar.
Salt and vinegar, and he eats it cold?
Eats it cold.
Nice.
Out on the green patch.
To find out who's actually buying Bob's tripe, I'm going to give him a hand on the stall.
Thank you. Oh, that's nice and cosy in here now, isn't it? Morning, madam. Would you like some tripe, my darling?
Yes.
What are you going to do with it? Vinegar?
Yeah, a lot of bit of lettuce and tomato.
And madam, how old are you, please?
91 on Saturday.
91 on Saturday. Many happy returns for
Thank you.
Saturday. The fact that I've just been here for the last 5 minutes and watching, the customers come and pick up the tripe, how old they are. And in a way that, there's not enough youth eating it. Tripe, ladies. Is there anyone out there under the age of 30 who would like to buy some tripe?
Tripe's clearly got an image problem, and many young people haven't even tried it. So with Bob's help, I'm setting up my very own belly deli to reinvent it as a really tasty dish.
You like that, do you?
I like that.
Yeah, you like that, do you? Gordon's Gut Hut, yes? Right, and Bob, what we're going to do is something sort of modern, OK?
Right.
So pan-fried tripe, yes, with some lemon and parsley. If we get it looking fresh and modern, a lot more people are going to eat it.
Right.
OK?
First of all, chop some onions and garlic and sweat.
So this is my way of doing tripe sort of fast, like fast food.
Then toss the tripe in some flour and season with salt and cayenne pepper.
Well, just to make it a little bit more sort of tangy and fresh, you use vinegar, don't you?
Vinegar, yeah.
I'm going to grate some lemon on there, yeah? And what that does, it just makes it a little bit sort of lighter, fresher, and a little bit more zestier, yeah? And all I'm going to do now is fry it very, very quickly in some sunflower oil, OK? Right.
Season with fresh parsley and a squeeze of lemon.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Now we're ready. Who would like some tripe, please? Anybody here in Accrington that hasn't eaten tripe, yes? Where are all the tripe virgins? You. Here we go. Why haven't you had tripe before, my darling?
Just because it just doesn't look very nice at all.
Do you like it?
It's really nice, actually, yeah.
Yes, and it's fried in a
Quick to cook
pan.
as well. I think I might try it myself.
Yeah? Good girl. Hey, look at all these new customers you're getting. You like it? Yes? How old are you?
18.
That's what I want to hear. So we've gone from 90 to 18 this morning.
Very nice, actually.
Right, guys, come over. How are you doing? Now, this is Accrington Stanley's, under 11s. This dish here is full of protein. How old are you? 6. Do you like the tripe? Yes? Fantastic. It's a load of bollocks that people don't like tripe anymore because cooked in a modern way, they love it. Look at this lot. Next time you're out, get down to your butcher and get some tripe for dinner. It's delicious and healthy. Who would like some tripe?